This will show the difference between the cords. This one is the one that comes with your package. And you'll notice that it is a tip ring sleeve. There's 3 sections to that plug. A tip, a middle ring, and a sleeve, the bottom portion. That'll plug in from any Android phone to the Rode wireless microphone. If you want to plug in from an iPhone 6 or older, they use a headphone jack. See right here. The newer ones of the iPhones, they do not have a headphone jack, and you'll need a special adapter. For an iPhone 6, order this adapter, which I'll put inside the description, so you'll know where you'll have a link. And it'll be noticeable by a gray end on it and a tip ring sleeve. 1, 2, 3, 4 sections on that plug. This one will plug into the microphone. This one plugs into your iPhone 6. Order that piece separately. This one that comes with it is 2 black ends, tip ring sleeve, a 3-section plug, plugs in from an Android phone into here. So once again, don't get those two confused. Order this piece if you have an iPhone 6 or older, iPhone 6 microphone. I hope this video helps you with choosing the correct adapter for your Wireless Go microphone.